everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making 3-dimensional greeting card for someone special using paper quilling strips and little bit of floral painting. Can you see the dimension here? This is looking absolutely stunning and I am loving the combination of blue and pink so much. The card is very easy to create. I will share from scratch how to make the flowers, how to make the leaves and how to do all the arrangements with easy steps. And inside the card you can write the special message for your special person. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 28 by 16 centimeters white color cardstock, folding it from center. This is having 300 GSM thickness. Now on top of this I am adding blue cardstock which is 13.5 by 15.5 centimeters. This is having 200 GSM thickness. And then on top of this I am adding one more white cardstock which is 13 by 15 centimeters. This is having 250 GSM thickness. So this is done. Now to create the dimensional card, here I am taking 10 by 12 centimeter white cardstock and in the bottom I am adding here piece of sunboard to give dimension. If you don't have sunboard, you can also add 2 to 3 layers of cardboard. And this is little smaller than the base card. Then adding glue and sticking it exactly in the center of the card base. And this is done. Then I am doing little bit of painting work, creating simple flowers using blue color. Here I am using gouache colors. You can use watercolors as well. Making some small flowers, some stems and some leaves. So in short, I am making my own pattern paper. Adding few dots of pink color in the center of each flower. And this is completely ready. Then I am writing sentiment for someone special using brush marker. And the beautiful card base is completely ready. Then I am starting with my first flower. So to create one petal, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark teal blue color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. For my today's project I am using 3 mm strips only. Similarly I have prepared one more teardrop. Now taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one simple teardrop shape. Then joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using dark blue color strip. So the petal is ready. Then I am joining total 6 petals together and making the flower. Using B7000 glue, I am connecting one small half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now for the next flower, I have already prepared these 2 petals which are made using 1/4 strip of dark teal blue color, just like we did before. And then I am taking here half strip of teal blue color and 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Adding 2 bended teardrops on both sides of this Malaysian flower petal, and then wrapping this whole petal using dark blue color strip. So the petal is ready, which is having nice unique shape. Then I am adding total 7 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So the flower is ready. Then to make filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. This is a tight teardrop. Adding 5 petals and adding one small half cut pearl in the center. Similarly, I have prepared total 6 flowers. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves. Then to make scroll, I am taking 4 small pieces which are 1/6 in the height and gathering all together, folding it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer. Just chop the extra strip from bottom, secure the end, and the scroll is ready. Similarly, we need total 4 scrolls. Now taking back my card base, and in the bottom corner I am adding this beautiful die cut design just to fill the corner, which is made using pink color cardstock. And then I'll start arranging all my flowers, leaves and scrolls. and this is completely ready. Then randomly here and there I'm adding some light blue colored stones just to highlight my flowers little more. Like this. And then I found the upper card little empty from the corner, so I have decided to add 2 blue colored triangles in both the corners just to fill the gap, and it will look more nice. Now this is looking complete and our beautiful greeting card is also completed. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and also the blue and pink combination is looking gorgeous. Now you can write the message inside the card and the quill flower card is ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.